Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve the Ghost 2-time status. First, let's dive into understanding the fundamental stealth mechanics of your game. This involves knowing enemy patrol routes, vision cones, and sound detection ranges. Mastering these basics is crucial for any successful stealth run. We will cover key strategies to ensure you remain undetected, allowing you to complete objectives without raising any alarms. Get ready to become a true phantom. Next, let's talk about optimizing your loadout. Selecting the right gear and abilities can significantly boost your chances of remaining unseen. Consider equipping items such as silenced firearms, specialized camouflage, or temporary invisibility cloaks. Furthermore, invest in character abilities that reduce your sound footprint or shorten enemy detection times. A well-prepared character is a nearly invisible character, making your Ghost 2-time goal much more attainable. Now for the execution phase. A solid strategy is paramount for achieving Ghost 2-time. Before entering an area, take a moment to observe enemy patrols and identify potential choke points. Plan your movement from cover to cover, always staying in the shadows or behind obstacles. Remember, patience is a virtue in stealth. Rushing often leads to detection. Execute your plan with precision, and you will navigate through challenges like a true phantom, twice over. Finally, consistent practice is key to perfecting your stealth game and achieving Ghost 2-time. Don't be discouraged by initial failures. Each attempt offers valuable learning opportunities. Replay challenging sections, focusing on improving your timing and route efficiency. Experiment with various approaches and loadouts to discover what best suits your playstyle. With dedication and refinement, you will consistently achieve that elusive Ghost status, not just once, but 2 times or more.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.